Welcome. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi Router AX3600, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the Wi-Fi name on this device. So firstly, you need to open the router miwifi.com, then open settings, scroll down, and here you will see the Wi-Fi name. And here you can change the name of the router and click save. OK. And now just wait a while. Now your device will be disconnected from this Wi-Fi. Of course, because this Wi-Fi does not exist now. But sometimes we need to reload the Wi-Fi on the Windows device because it works really slowly. Okay, and as you can see, now we have Xiaomi router here. Click connect, enter the password. And reload the page. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.